Hello everybody. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how to exclude objects from post-processing in Unity's universal render pipeline. Here I have an underwater scene set up for the game I am currently working on. It has a post-processing volume which adds some underwater effects to the main camera. I created some simple corals in Blender which I want to add to the scene, but the problem is that when I place them underwater, they get affected by the post-processing volume as well and look nothing like they should. To fix this, we use something called camera stacking. Basically, we create a second camera which only renders the corals without post-processing and then overlay it above the main camera. Create a camera under your main camera and call it, for example, no post-processing camera. Set the render type to overlay and make sure to disable post-processing. Go to your main camera and here under stack, click the plus icon and select your overlay camera. Create a new layer named, for example, no post-processing and attach it to all of the objects you want to be excluded from the post-processing. Then on your second camera under culling mask, select this layer. Finally, set the clear depth variable to false in order to make sure that the objects are not overlaying other objects. For example, when I set it to true and try to drag a coral below the ground, it will look very weird. But when I set it to false, everything works just fine. If you like this small tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.